Alright, YouTube, this is my 2009 Mini Cooper, and it's Mini Cooper S, having problems with the stereo like so many other people. It works but no sound. Okay, so after I ripped it apart, tore everything apart, I finally figured the problem out. I'll tell you here in a sec. I'll get to it in a second, but here's my new replacement stereo that worked and still no sound came out. Okay, so then I had to dig around, do some other, there's no real accessory power wire that goes to, that matches up in the wiring harness. So I had to figure out another powered ignition switch source, which I did, and that didn't do it. Okay, before this I had replaced my amplifier. That didn't do it. So I just left it alone for a long time, but I started troubleshooting it because I'm about to sell it. But here's the amp. Okay, and I tried to test to see if it was getting power. And after opening it up, of course, you know, looking for some burnt capacitors and whatnot. So it was the number 5 in the number 5 slot, and in the number 5 slot on this connector right here is where your power is supposed to be, and it is a red wire with a gray stripe on it. I was not getting power from there. Okay, so I dug deeper, pulled it out right here. That way I can give it some power. And this is what I did. I just took a needle, stuck it in there, used alligator clip lead, connected it to power, and voila. It fixed it, it turned it on. There was no, and it's the original amplifier that I already had, and it seems to be working just fine now.
And this guy runs up to me.
Sounds great, actually. So, look, after I already did the install of that new, the new turbo kit to delete all this stuff here, where this normally goes, I'm just gonna put this back in there. I'm gonna make sure the auxiliary works first. Anyways, that I've never seen this anywhere online, so I just wanted to make a video because it is so complicated, and I'm a pretty handy guy when it comes to troubleshooting stuff, and I'm glad and lucky I found it because I was at a loss. But hopefully it helps you guys out. You guys have helped me out a ton. So R56 Mini Cooper, good luck, you guys. Peace.